In today's class, we will be explaining the topic, ceremonies. Ceremonies can be defined as social functions or gatherings that bring people from all over the world together. Examples of ceremonial occasion: wedding ceremonies, birthday ceremonies, naming ceremonies, graduation ceremonies, award ceremonies, retirement ceremonies, baptism ceremonies, grand opening ceremonies. Some types of ceremony. Social ceremony. Examples are award ceremonies, graduation ceremonies, and many more. Religious ceremony. Examples are baptism ceremonies, wedding, and many more. Ceremonies are used by people to celebrate with their loved ones. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.